Hi guys, Ben here from Cult Motorcycles. Just a quick rundown of our Ducati Monster 696 that we've got in stock at the moment. It's a 2009 bike, just ticked over 6,000 miles, 3 owners, full service history. I think there's 7 stamped in the book, 3 belt changes in that time. It'll leave us with a full MOT and an oil service. It's just had a new back tyre put on as well. Only deviation from standard is the SC Frontix exhausts. A tail tidy and also a tinted screen. Yeah, really nice little bike. Well, I'll give you a quick walk around, pointing out any areas where there's any slight defects, imperfections. Loads of little flies on it. But yeah, so the tank is unmarked. Comes with the baffles for the exhaust as well. Also comes with a full Ducati book pack with owner's manuals, obviously service book. It's got 2 keys, a code card, and invoices going back through its history for various bits and bobs. A couple of little tiny bits, like just in here you see where the moisture's got to the paint a bit. Nothing bad. Tiny bit of foot rub there from obviously where your boot sits. But yeah, on the whole, very nice, clean, tidy bike. All our bikes are fully HPI clear. So there you go. Any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.